It's finally fall season. In today's video, I will be showing you Temu's 10-inch ginger synthetic wig. And guess what? It was only $14.
Hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels.
Head, shoulders, knees, toes, don't know these hoes. Face, lips, eyes, nose, camera, click, we pose, beat.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am 𝒹𝒶𝒸𝒶, also known as Synthetic Wig Whisperer. And if you are new here and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. So today, you guys, I got a new wig, and y'all already know what's coming up, right? If you don't know, baby, where are you at? It's about to be fall. Let it rain. I'll clear it out. Yeah, I'm old, very old. I feel like I'm old. It's okay. But anyway, it's about to be fall, you guys. I love to change my hair when it comes to fall. Like, I love to change the hair color, even the wig, my natural hair. Like, it really doesn't even matter. I love to change my hair. If you know me, you know me. Y'all know I love a little color, okay? It expresses my personality. So, I got a new wig, and that is the color. And of course, y'all know I gotta give y'all the details on this unit, okay? I'm gonna talk about it, and then I'm gonna show you. I got this wig in August. I got this wig in August, and it's the end of September. So anyway, I kept it for a minute. When I got it, it was $14. Now looking at it, it is $22. But y'all know how Temu is. Y'all know. Sometimes the price is up here, sometimes it's down here, and then it'll go right back up, and then it'll drop back down. Like, you gotta really, like, Temu is a app that you literally have to continue watching. To be honest, it doesn't even tell me on the app what kind of color it is. In my opinion, it's more like a copper color. So we're gonna try this. We're gonna try it. And she is a short unit. She's curly. She's beautiful. So I'd rather stop talking about her and let me show you. Let's see what she got. Ooh. Like, this color, I don't know. Y'all know how Chucky is. Not how he is, but his hair. He has that like burnt orange color, like, you know, copper, orange. It's just giving, it's really giving fall to me, at least to me. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, take the gut out. She ain't human hair, but baby, she feels so beautiful. Look at these curls. Okay, let's get into the details, y'all. But this is what she looks like. She is so pretty. She is shorter than the hair that I had on the last video. I'm pretty sure once I pull the curls apart and stuff, she will look full, beautiful. Oh, I'm so ready. Here is the hairline. Can you guys see what this is giving? Y'all see it? This looks good. This is the inside. She has 2 combs right here on the side, and she has 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. And yeah, she is made. She is a stretchy. Oh, she's stretching. This is a 13x3 lace. So yeah, this is really good. The lace, of course, is stretchy. I also ordered this little hair clip or whatever it is. It's like a hair piece. I don't know, it was like less than $1, so I was like, let me just get it. Let me get it. It's a little hair clip, like, has a little, you see that? You see how cute that is? Uh-oh. This is so cute. Y'all think I should tie this in with this hairstyle? Probably not. I mean, it doesn't scream fall to me. But I thought it was so cute to possibly put it in with this, so I might put it in later. So let's go ahead and get started. So first things first, I already put on my stocking cap. I already put my foundation on it. And I already prepped it, but this is how I do it. My hair is twisted underneath because your girl don't know how to braid. I put it in a ponytail, then I put my stocking cap on, put foundation all up in this area. I'm glad I did because this is a 13x3 lace, so all of this right here, we good. It says high temperature fiber, so baby can take heat, period. Let me go ahead, get this wig, and we finna put it on. We gonna style it. I feel like this is gonna be a short video. I'm not mad at all. Not mad at all. Well, maybe it is gonna take a little long because I gotta melt the lace, and sometimes it does require a little time, okay? But we finna get started. All right, let's put this on. Yeah. Oh God, what we doing? Whew. Sometimes it be a struggle. Okay, hold on. I ain't even put the wig on my head good enough. Y'all, this is so cute. This color is beautiful. Okay, so I am going to pluck. I got room to pluck. I'm going to pluck. I'm loving this color. What you say? Huh? What? So I was like playing with it a little bit, and if you do part it in the middle, baby, you got a lot of plucking to do. It's so thick right up in there. Y'all see that? Do y'all see how thick that is? Let's go ahead and get the lace together. I believe this lace is going to be really, really good. Yo, I'm not going to pluck as much on camera, but I'm going to show you guys, you know, how I do it, okay? Oh, my struggle, so you can't feel my hustle. You don't know what I've been through. Okay, so I know I am about to be really off track right now. Baby, let's put some foundation on on this lace because I really want this to look a little decent than what it is. I know it. I probably should have did that first. I didn't do it first. But I realized we all learn, right? We learn. We learn from our mistakes. I'm gonna make the same mistakes sometimes over and over until I really get it right. All right, let's do this back over. All right, and we're back. So I went on ahead and I plucked the best I could. I ain't saying it's the best, but overall I feel like it's decent. It really didn't need much then, and that's okay. I just wanted to do a little bit more because yeah. And of course you guys know that I use my melting spray. This is the best stuff, and like I say in all my videos, if you want the information, it's in the description box. Alright, so let's put our band on. And it's dirty. It's okay. I like to reuse my stuff, okay? And we're gonna wait 10 minutes. I believe it's been 10 minutes. You. I'm gonna put more melting spray, and I'm gonna just let it air dry so we can try to seal the deal. Okay, y'all, I think I don't want to put a part in it. I don't. I just want it to go back. So let's get the hot comb and let's push this down a little bit. Got my wax stick, so let's go ahead and, you know what? I think I want baby hairs. Do I want it, or do I just want a simple? Yeah, I think I do. I think I'm gonna just get a few hair. I'm not going to do anything like dramatic. I just want little pieces of hair to come out, and I'm gonna cut it, and I'm gonna go ahead with my melting spray, and I'm gonna tame it a little bit. I just want to tame the baby hairs just a little bit. We're just gonna do it in several areas. You know how some people, they do their baby hairs and it's like kind of like planned and neat. I just want some everywhere. Like, I want it to be in different areas, if that makes sense. Okay, I did just a little bit, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put my band on that. Ooh. Okay. Now I'm gonna get my wax stick and I am going to put this back. Make sure I get this flat, because I feel like it's kind of like thick. This hair is like really full and thick, so I want to kind of like, you know, hold it down a little bit. So let me show you guys the finished product, okay?
Warm it up, la 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 la. The boys are waiting, la 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 la. Warm it up, la 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 la. The boys are waiting. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard.
Y'all. Ooh. Ooh. This unit, top tier. Baby, she is up there. Y'all can't tell me nothing. I did not do a lot of work to this unit. We're gonna talk about everything that I've done off camera, which was not a lot. I flat ironed this a little more. I've tried it on both sides, you know. It's cute. It's cute. It's really cute. So I decided not to do a middle part, side part, any type of part. I really wanted it to look like this. This is what I was looking for. When I say I didn't do anything besides just bump it back with my hot comb, that's it. Like, I didn't do anything else. I didn't cut no layers. I didn't straighten anything. I didn't do anything. This is one of those units where you ain't even got to do a lot of work. I really love the lace, but when I was taking my thumbnail pictures for this video, the lace was a little light. Even though I put foundation on the lace, it was still light in the picture. So you got to think about that as well. The hair feels nice, soft. I mean, even though, like, can y'all see that? Baby, she is... I ain't put nothing in them because I don't want anything. I want to keep these curls. They're tight. They're beautiful. And the color of the hair, baby. Beautiful. So it is screaming fall. Fa la 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 la. No, that's Christmas. Fall. This complements brown. Okay, brown. I love it. Like, the length of the hair, I feel like it's a little long on the side and short in the back. I could be wrong. All of it could be, you know, the same length. Overall, I just really just put my fingers through it and I combed out some of the curls. You know how you can have some baby hairs that, like, you know, you sculpt it into a masterpiece. But this, I just really wanted to make that baby hairs look like I didn't try. But I love this unit because you can wear it like this. This is really, really cute as well. So if you guys want to have like a look like this going on, baby, she is what? You can have this. This is so cute. Or if you want to put it on the side, you can put it on the side. You know, just put a little finger in there and separate the hair, and boom, there you go. I know I keep going side to side because, baby, I can't help it. It look good. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, they do have 3 colors. So with that being said, you don't have to get this color, baby. They got black. They got this. I think they got blonde and pink. If you want that, baby, you better get it. I would give this unit a 10. Baby, she is a 10. Y'all, this is so cute. She's a 10. She's a high 10. She's probably past 10, to be honest. I mean, if it's up to me, she's past 10. I'm posting this video on fall. So, baby, this is my fall look. I hate to say it, but this is it for the video. Like, baby. The curls, the color, the hair texture, the lace. Top tier. Top tier, baby. Y'all know I talked about this earlier, right? I kind of want to try it now. Let's just do it. Why not? This is giving me a cute poodle. I love it. I'm done. Sold. I got this for $14, but baby, I will spend $22 on this. It's worth it. It's worth every penny. I'm just saying. Y'all can do what y'all want. All right, you guys. Thank y'all so much for staying. Girl, what is you doing? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And like I said, if you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. All right, you guys. Thank you. Bye.
Warm it up, la 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 la. The boys are waiting, la 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 la. Warm it up, la 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 la. The boys are waiting. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the milkshake brings all the boys to the boys to the boys to the milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than
things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine, baby girl.